ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Each part is shown here, which can later be assembled into the kick. अभी तो मैंने ये इसको खोल दिया है, and there are some instructions written on it about the product parameters and all those things. Okay, so model on vehicle search, there will be many models like this, so that's not a problem. The application scenarios, this we have seen before, but again I am trying to show किस तरह से इसको लगाते हैं. Trying to unwrap this box of mine, come from Amazon. As fast delivery. Our membership of Prime. This is nothing but my new stand for videography. So now I am trying to wrap this off to remove the hard cover. I hope I do it correctly. इस तरह से इसको खोल रहा हूँ मैं धीरे धीरे, कैंची से काट रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये हार्ड बॉक्स है तो काट में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है. But I am trying to do it as good as possible. Trying to cut the edges first. Trying to see what is inside, peeping into it. Trying to cut the edge on the side. You can see it. धीरे धीरे से करना पड़ता है इसको. ये जल्दी करेंगे तो टूट जाएगा या कुछ फूट जाएगा. I hope everything is in proper order. So I'm just trying to open this box. And now slowly from this side I can cut it similarly as I've cut it earlier. तो अभी खुल गया सिम. Now you can see I am opening this slowly and I am finding some brochure. I don't know what it contains. Let me see. This is the kind of material and I will throw the box off now slowly so that I can unwrap this properly. इसको भी किस तरह से खोलते हैं. This is a video making kit. Okay, this is for my YouTube videos and other videos. It's a video making kit. If you can see, this is a video making kit. इसको वीडियो मेकिंग किट बोलते हैं. But I think this looks like this, somewhat like this. The video making kit looks like this. So देखते हैं अभी कैसा खुलता है वो. So I'll try to open it as properly as possible. Again, I don't know if I have to cut anything, but I don't think I have to cut. I have to just open it this way. Yeah. I open it this way and there's a very nice packing. See, beautiful packing has been made. And in that, I find this is the kit. I think this is how it is. And this is the entire kit which I am now trying to slowly open. थोड़ा सा careful रहना पड़ता है because you don't know what angle and which direction it has been kept. So it appears that it has been kept in the other direction like this. It appears. This is how it is slowly opened. Yeah. So it's open now. and you can see all the parts of it, of this kit. ये इस तरह से खुल गया है. Now इसको मैं यहाँ पे रख के थोड़ा I'll try to assemble it a little bit. थोड़ा इसको assemble करते हैं, पता नहीं कैसे assemble करते हैं, you'll have to learn. तो ये लाइट है, ये शायद स्टैंड है उसका, ये माइक है, ये माइक है मेरे ख्याल से, ये माइक है. इसको नीचे से भी पकड़ा है क्या, पता नहीं, इट इज़ ओनली ओपनड वन साइडेड. सो दिस इज़ द माइक. I am placing the mic right over here. This is the mic, and this is the screwable aspect, the in between of it. So I am keeping it here. So ये mic हो गया, ये हो गया. I don't know what next is there, but appears to be difficult to assemble, but must try to assemble. This must be a stand to hold, probably. This must be just a stand to hold, and then the stand. Okay, this is the stand. This is the stand which comes here. और एक बात और रह गया. It is the stand which is there, and then a cord over here. This cord is also important because everything is important in this. ये शायद USB cord है, ये पता नहीं, listening cord है. So I don't know how to assemble it. I'm trying my best. इसको किस तरह से स्क्रू करते हैं, अनस्क्रू करते हैं, वो देखते हैं थोड़ा. ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट हाउ इट इज़ टू बी अनस्क्रूड, व्हाट इज़ टू बी डन. करीबन 6 मिनट्स एंड 42 सेकंड्स का वीडियो अभी तक हो गया है, लेकिन मुझे अभी भी पता नहीं चला है कि इसको किस तरह से घुमाते हैं या क्या करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई टू सी द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. इसको स्लॉट है, या. So this is the one where you got to screw, I think. It's difficult to do this. Trying to learn. I don't like this or like this. Yeah. This is the way you have to put it. How much it will go, I don't know, but this is how to put it. And then there is one more over here. जो कैसे लगता है इसको, ये ऊपर लगना चाहिए इसे. This is like this. This is up to the mic stage. अभी this appears to be on the top actually of the mic. This, or is it somewhere over here? पता नहीं चल रहा है कहाँ है. But there is a screwing equipment here also. So this mic, I don't think should go here. But यहाँ तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, कुछ तो जाना चाहिए यहाँ पर, है ना. तो नहीं क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे, because there is no hole over here. I think it goes like this. I don't know if it goes like this, so it goes like this, I think. It goes like this. No. There's a screw being shown here, so even if it goes, there's a screw here. Okay, screw को ढीला करके, let's see if it goes like this. I don't know if it goes like this. Yeah, it goes like this and then you have to tighten up. अभी इसके ऊपर कैसे लगेगा ये? क्या उल्टा लगाया? उल्टा लगाया शायद, नहीं? I just opened it again. वापस खोल रहा हूँ मैं इसको और देख रहा हूँ किस तरह से ये लगता है. हाँ, इसको भी ऊपर खींच सकते हैं. दिस इज़ फॉर द कैमरा, बट इसका नॉट कहाँ है? इसका नॉट कहाँ है? इसको ऐसे करके इसको यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन ये कहाँ लगता है? Does this go here? Trying to find out if this goes here. It doesn't go here. It should have something on top, na? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. This is how it goes. अभी समझा मैं. This is how it goes. But it goes in opposite direction. Which direction? This is how it goes. ऐसे जाता है ये ऐसे जाता है. लेकिन उसको फिक्स होना चाहिए. Most important, it should get fixed. नहीं हो रहा है. क्या है? ऐसा ही रखते हैं. पता नहीं. I put it wrong or what? It should be okay like this. See? It should be okay ना, like this. और इसको ये इस तरह से यहाँ पे इसको लगाते हैं इस तरह से. So this completes a complete set. See, and make out this is a complete set now, and the camera will come in between here. So अभी मैं अच्छी तरह से लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. और यहाँ पे नॉब दिया है जहाँ से ये वायर जाएगा. This wire will go, USB wire will go from here into your camera. So camera will be here and it will be here. So it is very close to the camera. देखिए यहाँ से लेके यहाँ जाएगा तो ये कैमरा आ जाएगा. So I got it. This is how it is to be done. So I've tried to unpack it for the first time properly because it's difficult to unpack a product. 12 minutes का वीडियो हो गया है. 12.17. Oh, appears to be good. Very nice instrument. Let us see in detail how to unwrap so that you can start making the videos instantly. The model and all you can check up on the site. This is a video making kit basically. Now this is how it stands. See, I'm giving a closer look of the stand. This is how it is standing. A little closer look of the stand. पता नहीं आपको दिखता है क्या? This is how it will appear, and this is how it is. The stand, the tripod stand. Then this is meant for the camera, and I'll put the camera also and show you. And this is the light part, and I'll show you also the part of the camera which goes here. Okay, so ये इस तरह से इसको ये जाता है. If you see more in detail, you will get to know how it is done. Once more, this is the stand part which is very strong, and then you come upwards like this. Towards this you come to know where this is. Okay, so इस तरह से